Come on. We have a new dance in the street. Feeling show them how to do it. We have a new dance near motion. We have a new dance near motion. We have a new dance in the street. Feeling show them how to do it. We have a new dance near motion. We have a new dance near motion.
You don't know, say I really so easy. I'm representing for Troubling TV.
You don't know, say I publish shot call, you know? Represent for Troubling TV. Here in an interview is it with Feeling
Creech.
Don't know, Feeling Creech live in
and
the
him have
building.
the newest dance where I run the street.
Yeah.
Yo, it a tear down street.
Yes,
Zing
Feeling.
top.
Partners them out, you know, motion.
Yeah, man.
Motion.
I tell you
Motion.
more about that motion dance.
I tell you, you see that dancing in motion, may I tell you the girl them a run with it.
Yeah.
Whole of East, may I tell you, that dance there, it turn. Terrible.
Yes, better than pills and potion.
Produced by Mac, produced by V. Legaci music, you see it. Makyvahz team. Makyvahz do it, and Makyvahz Damale. I really bring across the idea to the streets, and I say motion, you see it?
I know that dance tear down the street.
I tell you, it tear down the whole East,
Yeah.
whole of Uptown. People love it.
Feeling, we want to make the people them know more about you. That's why we're there so right now.
Yeah,
so
man.
how you get the name Feeling?
Well, Feeling is a name, you know. Where the baller them give me, you know, you see it. Cause I was a baller, you see it. Used to go to Vauxhall and play Pepsi and Coles. You see me for Vauxhall. So really Feeling is a thing where hard and dense. So I really use left foot, one foot. So real talented youth, may I tell you. Feeling is a thing where hard. You see me hard.
So Feeling, what the dancing thing is what love or you just do it because of fun or your friends and more.
No, really and truly, you know, the dancing is a love in our fight, you know. Cause really and truly, 3 individuals from Rockford bring across the dance thing to me and say, well, Feeling, you need to be out there, you know, cause you have a talent. The dancing can do enough for you.
So people see the talent.
Yes, man.
Push your thing.
Remember, say I wasn't a dancer in Nannyville. If you walk around and ask them, even me telling you, from about last year, I start dancing. Last year, March, I start dancing with Creech and the Makyvahz them before the whole Creech and Aji saga. But we all get over that still, and right now, right now you have a dance named Aji Bunks currently, where the Makyvahz them produce. That's the hit dance right now. That's the hit dance. That's Aji dance. But my dance is motion, people. Motion. Yes.
Yeah, but we want you to do the dance for later.
This one is a must, man, people.
So you have a song for the dance or what?
Yes, we have a song, you know, currently, you know, as well. I told you, Feeling Creech, DJ Makyvahz do it, and Makyvahz Damale. They are the ones that put across this tune. Vade is the one that produced the rhythm. Legaci music. We know as the Makyvahz how we come across now, cause we have a dancer ourselves, me and Aji and Tornado, King Hype. We build a thing named Turn With The Liquor. That's a dance that really put me on the map. And a dance named Mad With The Creech. Yes, me and Aji. Yes, man. I'm telling you, we're a sensation in the dancing business, because you see, you like Aji, you like Feeling, we have a lot of talent. Percy, King Hype, we can build dances. Because King Hype and me build a dance name, Get Mad With The Creech. Tornado and King Hype sing that one. So as what I'm told you, I'm not young to the dancer. It's just that people don't really know me. So this interview, they come across the Makyvahz now. So people look good. This is Feeling Makyvahz. The Makyvahz them out. The Makyvahz them out.
If somebody want to contact you, so how them go about for contact you and thing?
That's a real good question.
Well, my WhatsApp number is 8424885.
Repeat?
8424885.
People, you have that.
Yes, you heard it from the man himself, you know, Feeling Creech. Later on, we have him performing for us, is he?
Yeah, and show how
Feeling.
Well,
Nice having you in here.
Was nice being here, no troubling. I tell you, roll it.
I want
Troubling.
One link, you know.
One link, man. Troubling.
Don't know.
People, you see, Troubling TV are the best TV for the interview. Them, may I tell you. You see them 2 young youth in a Troubling. Turn. out, 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 out.
Yo, I would thank Shelly for coming in, feeling for coming in, and you know.
It's all a pleasure, man. What you saying, man? Trouble link, man. It's all a pleasure, man. Trouble link. If you're not dance, go. All dancers, I'm feeling Creech is a represent. I see my new dance right now. It a got turn.
We have a new dance in the street, feeling show them how to do it. We have a new dance near Motion. We have a new dance near Motion. We have a new dance in the street, feeling show them how to do it. We have a new dance near Motion. We have a new dance near Motion.
This is the instruction. Think when you do a move up your hand. Watch your foot movement. We call it motion, and the dance is so smooth you think a lotion. Yeah, we just a dance every day. Pack up your stress and put them away. The dance of the nation, I say. Come on.
We have a new dance in the street, feeling show them how to do it. We have a new dance near Motion. We have a new dance near Motion. We have a new dance in the street, feeling show them how to do it. We have a new dance near Motion. We have a new dance
Dancing
near Motion.
come back again. You see it? Sigil and 18 they do the happy feet. Watch you was a dance and I sit down the street over Mars. Him up the hot rice without meat. Jano we look neat. Chain on we neck, shoes on we feet. Everywhere we go, girl a smile when we do it. And I say,
Me alert. Yeah, feel it. Yo, Big Trouble, big up on yourself. Nicky Wisdom, big up yourself. Beer, big up on yourself. Makyvahz, don't know that's something I say.
At Troubling TV, on the internet you see we. You don't have to pay no money, cause this comedy is for free. Troubling.